Peter Eliades with you. This is Stock Market Cycles YouTube update. We entitled the first one of these updates because we are excited to announce, we truly are, the TradingView is getting the Eliades price projection app. And we did a little demo tutorial. They're going to be very short, 4 or 5 minutes, maybe overlap for a couple of minutes of that, but they're going to be short videos just getting you acquainted with what you get with this package. Free 7-day trial, no obligation. And what I'm going to show you today is the wonderful kind of manual that Stefan has put together. Stefan is our programmer. He's put it together. So you go to stockmarketcycles.com. I'll also try and put a link right under the video so you can just click on it. But if you're having trouble with that, go to stockmarketcycles.com, go to indicators, go to Eliades Price Projections Trading View. That's the new one. And you see these options, okay? What would you be interested in? I'm interested in the TradingView app and the video commentary, interested in TradeStation app. So this deals with either TradeStation or TradingView. In the case of you new people, it would be TradingView. So you answer these questions, and I'll go to one of them to give you an example. Let's say you're interested in the TradingView app and video commentary. You would click here, and then from there it leads you on your way how to get your free 7-day trial. But the purpose of this video today is to show you the docs for TradingView. So let's click on that. So features shows you all the features. I'm not going to read them. You can read them probably more quickly than I'll read them to you. So this is one of the big parts of our price projection theory. There are a lot of people online, I shouldn't say a lot, there are some people online that are doing the Hurst offsets and the projections. We've done something maybe a little bit, maybe a lot different than most of them because we've translated the original Hurst theory of calendar day charts into daily market day charts. And we've given you all the offsets that we use here. Then Stefan goes on. These are all things that he describes in the instructions for using TradingView. Talks about the statistics. This is also something that very few, if any, I am not acquainted with any other software that does Hurst work that does this. This is so important because this tells you, the statistics tell you what your percentage successful projections has been. You don't want a projection technique that is 30% successful. Okay, you certainly want at least 50% successful. And in order to be really beneficial for you, you want something that generally always reads over 70%. And I will say that, I won't say always, but I will say the majority of times, no matter what offset you use, no matter what projection, no matter what time span, and we do 30-minute charts, you typically get over 70% projection success, okay? And then down here, you can customize the indicator. Use 27-minute charts for futures, okay? Why 27? That's a weird number for futures. Simply because they fit 15 bars exactly into a trading day. Daytime trading, this is, not Globex. So if you trade the futures, you want the daily futures charts to do projections on them, you would use a 27-minute off. You could use the daily one, obviously. But if you want to do a little micro work, you go to the 27-minute offsets. And those are all set up for you by default, okay? So I'm not going to stop. I'll just go quickly through these things. I want you to see the type of work that Stefan has done, prepared, and put together for you so you know exactly what you're looking at. Okay, talks about updates, talks about videos. So he shows you some of the videos that I have done already that are kind of primers for the projection technique. And there are links for those on here too. And what the heck is a nick? That one's interesting. Those of you that have done any offset cycle projection work before will appreciate the Nick filter. So that's basically what we're looking at. And I wanted you to see that so you'll have an idea as to what the package looks like. This is, of course, the underlying notation that helps you out in terms of using the software. The big one, the big kahuna, so to speak, is the software itself. And I think you'll be incredibly impressed with it. I think you'll love it. And for that reason, I'm going to stop right here and put a link right underneath this video on YouTube so you can click to it immediately and see what we're talking about. I'll tell you quickly what the deal is here. It's a free 7-day trial. That from that point, if you're interested, I'm pretty confident you will be if you're a trader. It's don't hold me to these prices because the official prices are on obviously on the website. But I believe it's $49 per month for the software. And I do a daily video that goes through the market action for the day in association with the software, with the Eliades price projection software. That daily update is $59 a month. You can get both of them in a bundle for $89 a month, okay? I'm pretty confident about those prices, but I want to give you an idea as to what you're looking at before you search into this any further. And that's going to be this update. I wanted to give you a feel for what the documentation was for all of this. And that gives you a pretty good idea as to the workings of the software. Thanks for watching. Look for that link underneath the video. We'll talk to you soon. We're going to be doing these updates quite often. I've at the beginning anyway, for every 3 or 4 days. I'm going to show some actual uses of it, some real-time uses and projections from it also. So I think you'll find them interesting. The best way to be notified of that, subscribe. Doesn't cost any money. You just click subscribe to these updates, and anytime a new update goes on, you'll be notified. Thanks for watching.